Good morning, students. This is Miss Kelly, your East facilitator at Henderson Middle School. What I want to do this morning is go over what we're going to be using to check in live on our virtual days for those students that are face-to-face, and for those students that are virtual, this is what we're going to be using to check in for our East Tech Talk starting on September the 21st, which will be Monday of next week. What we will be using will be a feature called Conferences. And I will be using the live chat to give you updates on your assignments and or to answer questions that you may have in reference to assignments that have been given to you in Schoology. The feature that we will be using is inside of Schoology. So what you would have to do is open up your myclasslink.com/LRSD account. Then from there, you'll have a list of your apps, and what you'll do is you'll go to your Schoology account app. So we'll click there. Now that you are in Schoology, we're going to use the feature called Conferences. We will no longer be using the feature called Zoom, which is what we were using when we were using the platform for Edmentum. We are now on Schoology, and the feature for live chats that I will be using is called Conferences. So today I will be walking you through the process of using Conferences. So when you've gotten into your Schoology account, what you want to do is then go into Courses, and then you want to look for My Class, which is East Lab 1, and it depends on whatever section it is. So if you are in first period, it may be section 109.1, or if you're in section period 4, or fourth block rather, you will be clicking on East 104-4. I'm going to be using first period as an example, so I will click on East Lab 1, section 109-1. That 1 on the very end means first block. You will then scroll down to week 4, because that will be the current week that we're in this week. Next week, you'll be looking for week 5, day 1. So I'm going to be strolling down to week 4. What you would do is first you would do your attendance check-in. So on September the 21st, you will click on attendance check-in. This is basically to make sure that my students that are assigned to my East classes are checking in and actually doing the assignments that I have listed in Schoology. Then you're going to click on live check-in where it says East Tech Talk. What I've done was I've listed the conference time. So if you're in my first block or my 5th block, which will be like A day, B day, then I will be conferencing with you at 9:30. If you're in my 3rd block for A day or my 7th block for B day, then I will be conferencing with you at 1 o'clock. And if you are in my 4th period block or my 8th period block on B day, I will be conferencing with you at 3 o'clock. Once again, you will be using Conferences. All right, first thing is after you've clicked on the title, you will then go over to the panel, which is called the navigation panel, on the left-hand side of your screen, and what you're looking for is Conferences. So you'll click on Conferences. After you've clicked on Conferences, it will take you to a window that says, and I would have already created a conference. It'll be Monday's conference time, and you will see the title of the conference, and it will say East Tech Talk, dated for the week 5, and it'll have September the 21st, September 21st. It will give you the start time of the conference as well as the end time of the conference. The status at that time will be where it will say Start Conference. I will not start the conference until the designated time. So once again, if you are first period or 5th period, it will be 9:30. If you're in my 3rd period or 7th period, it will be 1 o'clock. If you're in my 4th period or 8th period, your meeting will start at 3 o'clock. And it will then say in progress, meeting in progress, which will allow you to join. You will check or click on the title of the conference, which will take you to the link, which will take you to the link, and it will give you the live feature. And that is where you will be able to conference with me, and we'll discuss upcoming assignments, or we may discuss the assignment that's due on that particular day. So this is what you will do. It will say active, or it may say in progress, and that's when you'll be able to join. Once again, I will not start the conference until those designated times. Once again, if you're first period or fifth period, your East Tech Talk time will be at 9:30. If you are third or seventh period, your East Tech Talk time will be at 1 o'clock. And if you are fourth or eighth period, your East Tech Talk time will be at 3 o'clock. I am hoping to see you guys soon, especially those that I have not spoken with. I did some phone calling this week, and I will be sending out an email message to everyone, and that's basically a check to make sure that you all are able to log into Schoology and that you are completing the assignments. What I will do over the weekend, I should be able to have all work graded and have an updated grading status on the work that you've completed so far. So once again, you will need to make sure that you complete your attendance check-in first. Then you will click on live check-in, conference time, and once again, those designated times are 9:30, 1 o'clock, and 3 o'clock, according to the class period that you are in. If you have any questions or concerns prior to Monday, September the 21st, you may give me a call at 501-447-2824. Hope to see you guys soon. Bye-bye.